Hey there, future social media moguls. Welcome back to Blend. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of making money through Facebook marketing. If you've ever wondered how to turn your social media prowess into cold hard cash, you're in for a treat. Making money with Facebook marketing. Segment 1. Let's start with the basic. No worries if you're new to this, we're here to break it down. Facebook marketing is like having a chat with your friends, but you're also sneaking in some clever ads and promos. It's all about creating a connection that turns into dollars. Segment 2. Crafting your irresistible online person. Now, let's talk about your Facebook profile. Imagine it's your personal party, make it interesting. Set up a cool business page, sprinkle some catchy content, and get creative with those posts. Be genuine, and you'll attract a loyal crowd. Segment 3. Winning hearts with killer content. Get ready to be the life of the Facebook party. Sharing is caring, right? Post stuff that your audience can't resist liking, sharing, and chatting about. Humor, inspiration, and valuable insights are your secret weapons. Segment 4. Making money move. Host, now, the moolah part. You've built your online hangout, so why not make it work for you? You can pocket some cash through sponsored posts, affiliate goodies, selling your own digital stuff, or offering your skills. Segment 5. Unleash the power of Facebook ads. Hold on to your hats, 'cause we're talking ads. Facebook ads are like your VIP tickets to reaching tons of people. But hey, it's not rocket science. Learn about your audience, pick the right ad type, and let your creativity fly. Segment 6. Data, insights, and rockstar move. Time to put on your detective hat. Facebook Insights spill the beans on what's working and what needs a little boost. Analyze, adapt, and get ready to watch your earnings skyrocket. You did it, you savvy marketers. Now you're armed with the skills to rock Facebook marketing and make some bucks while doing it. Remember, it's a journey, enjoy the ride, try new things, and watch your dreams turn into reality. Keep crushing it. Thank you for joining the Facebook marketing party here at Blend. Hit that subscribe button and don't forget to ring the bell for more awesome content that'll take your social media game to the next level. Stay social and successful.